Whispers of Our Soul. This dance celebrates the magic that is created when we translate our inner whispers into movement. This song for this piece is from a 1993 Malayalam psychological thriller, Mani Chitratharu, directed by Fazul. The main female character, Ganga, is a modern woman who moves into an old ancestral mansion. Although she has never been formally trained in dance, she becomes possessed by the memories of an ancient temple dancer, or a Devadasi called Nagavali.
The persona of Nagavali and her love for Ramanathan become the key to unlocking Ganga's own buried trauma. Ultimately, she heals herself from the hidden trauma through movement and dance, and frees herself to love and explore life in a new way. This transformation is mirrored in her choreography, a language through which the soul speaks, heals, and dreams again. This piece is choreographed and performed by Ezra Korean, Prathana Praveen, Shrika Mariala, and Priyana Tandon. Song credits to Urumurai Vandu Parthaya, music by M.G. Radhakrishnan, and sung by K.S. Chitra.
அங்கனமா மௌலி மணி ತಿಂಗಳಾಸೆ ಚಾರುಶೀಲೆ ನಾಗವಲ್ಲಿ മനോന്മണി രാമനാഥൻ തേടും ബാലേ മാ பகையும்